The lilac blooms in spring or around May 1st on the wood of the previous year. Cuttings allow for the identical reproduction of a variety. Lilac prefers rich soils, rather fresh in summer. It blooms in the sun or under light shade. To achieve a nice compact bloom, light pruning is necessary. As soon as the flowers have faded, afterwards it will be too late. To make a lilac cutting, you need a grafting knife, a clean and sharp pruner, a plastic bottle for growing in a humid environment, a pot with a 10 cm diameter, clay pebbles, potting soil, ready-to-use semi-cutting mix, a spray bottle, and a small dibber. Before taking cuttings, drain the pot with a layer of clay pebbles. Fill the pot with the semi-cutting potting soil. Thoroughly soak the potting soil a few minutes before taking the cuttings. Cuttings are done at the end of summer, as this is the time when the plant begins to harden, transitioning from a rather tender, herbaceous state to becoming woody. Less fragile, the cutting roots more easily during this period. Take the tip of a young stem from the ear, with 4 rows of leaves. Remove all the leaves starting from the bottom, and keep only the last 2. Cut diagonally below a node. The cut must be clean, and without burrs. Reduce the leaf surface by half to decrease the cutting's evaporation. Make a fairly deep pre-hole. Insert the cutting into the pot up to the last node. Only the last 2 leaves are visible. Firm the substrate around the stem. Spray the foliage with non-calcareous water, preferably rainwater. Cover the cutting with a plastic bottle to create a humid environment and moisten over and around the bottle. The temperature should be as constant as possible, around 20 to 25 degrees. Do not be surprised if your lilac loses its leaves after a few weeks. This is completely normal. Remember that the lilac is a deciduous shrub, meaning it normally loses its leaves. So if your lilac loses its leaves, your cutting will too. You will then remove the bottle and place your lilac pot, possibly with some roots, but it's not guaranteed, in a sheltered spot with leaves along a wall. And you will repot your lilac next spring or plant it directly in the ground in a good spot.